Still treating seeds like garden leftovers? We're about to break down 11 reasons why seed saving is your secret weapon. Every seed you waste is one less salad, one less sauce, one less brag-worthy harvest. Check out our seed-saving guide and planner and get detailed info on how to save various seeds. And if you need more help, get our AI gardening buddy involved and solve any seed-saving questions you might have. Now, let's get into the importance of seed saving. Local adaptation. Your climate is weird. Your soil's got quirks. So why use generic seeds? Save from survivors and build a plant army tuned to your yard. Tips: track which plants thrive in your garden conditions. Collect seeds from areas with drought, shade, or poor soil. Mistakes to avoid: saving from the wrong plant just because it looks pretty. Ignoring microclimates in your yard. Sun versus shade equals huge difference. Preserve biodiversity. There are 20,000 plus edible plants, and grocery stores sell like 20. Saving seeds protects unique heirlooms from extinction. Tips: grow rare or heirloom varieties and swap them with others. Label your seeds with origin and story. Mistakes to avoid: relying only on big box hybrids, tossing ugly but genetically valuable crops. Flavor first. Seed companies breed for shelf life. You can grow for flavor. Save what makes your taste buds dance. Tips: taste test before saving. Only keep what you love. Track flavor notes. Mistakes to avoid: saving from overripe or underripe produce. Forgetting to note which variety made your top-tier tomato sauce. Save money, like a lot. Why rebuy seeds when your garden is a walking seed factory? One tomato can grow 50 more. That's compound interest, but edible. Tips: dry seeds well and label with date and variety. Store in a cool, dark, dry place for max lifespan. Mistakes to avoid: tossing moldy or underdeveloped seeds. Thinking you need fancy gear, paper envelopes and jars work just fine. Control your food supply. Seed shelves empty fast, but your saved stash, always stocked. Saving seeds puts you in charge of what grows, when, and how. Tips: save seeds from crops you actually eat a lot of. Rotate your garden to keep genetics fresh and healthy. Mistakes to avoid: saving from weak or diseased plants. Assuming store-bought produce has viable seeds, they often don't. Protect cultural heritage. Some seeds carry stories older than your garden gloves. Saving them keeps history and identity alive. Tips: ask family and community for ancestral or cultural seed varieties. Share your story when you share seeds. Mistakes to avoid: letting heirloom varieties cross-pollinate with hybrids. Failing to document your seed's origin. Support pollinators. More diverse plants means more happy bees. Saving seeds often means letting things flower longer, and pollinators love that. Tips: let leafy greens and herbs bolt, then collect seeds. Save flower seeds from pollinator-attracting varieties. Mistakes to avoid: pulling up plants too early before they seed. Saving only from non-flowering crops. Food security is seed security. Empty shelves, climate weirdness, saved seeds, food insurance. Tips: build a mini seed bank for your top 5 crops. Stash a backup jar in a dark, dry cabinet just in case. Mistakes to avoid: storing in humid, light-filled spaces like windowsills or garages. Relying only on one season of saved seeds. Diversify. Garden-to-garden sharing. Seed swaps is the coolest, lowest-budget way to build community. One garden's excess is another gardener's treasure. Tips: package extras in labeled mini envelopes. Add notes like thrived in heat or bee magnet to stand out. Mistakes to avoid: trading uncleaned, moldy, or mislabeled seeds. Sharing hybrids without telling people. It's genuinely fun. Sorting, labeling, and hoarding seeds is kinda addictive, like Pokemon cards, but you can eat them. Tips: make it a ritual. End of season seed party? Yes, please. Use colorful envelopes or a cool box to keep it satisfying. Mistakes to avoid: getting overwhelmed by saving everything. Start with 3 easy crops. Forgetting to dry seeds thoroughly before storing. Leave a legacy. Saved seeds outlive you. Literally. You're not just growing dinner, you're growing inheritance. Tips: keep a legacy collection of family favorites and strongest producers. Pass down seeds with notes, journals, even recipes. Mistakes to avoid: letting your best seeds go untracked or unshared. Waiting too long to start your legacy box. These 11 reasons aren't fluff, they're facts. Seed saving isn't just about plants, it's about power, passion, and passing it on. Comment seed strong if you're ready. Tag your gardening buddy who's still buying seeds like it's 2005. And get the Strong Echo AI gardening app, your ultimate seed-saving sidekick. because you can grow it.